Hi everyone! Welcome to SeriesSiam. On our channel, you'll find lots of cute and heartwarming series waiting for you to enjoy. Many viewers have asked us, why can't I see the subtitles in my language? So here's a quick guide just for you. Tap the CC button at the bottom of the video, then go to Settings, Subtitles, choose your language. We've worked hard to make subtitles in multiple languages like English, Spanish, Indonesian, Chinese, Japanese, Portuguese, and more. If they don't show up, try refreshing the page or turning subtitles on again. We hope this helps you enjoy our stories even more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss the next episode.